Starscream. I'm home.
Lord Megatron, I was so relieved to hear of your resurrection.
You left me to die in that pathetic insect planet.
But only to spawn a new army to fall and defeated. And after all, during your absence, someone had to take command.
So disappointing.
Careful.
Even in death, there's no command but mine. My master, I have failed you on Earth. The old spark is destroyed, and without it, our race will perish.
Oh, you have much to learn, my disciple. The cube was merely a vessel. Its power, its knowledge, can never be destroyed. It can only transform.
How is that possible?
It has been absorbed by the human child. The key to saving our race now lies within his mind.
Well, then let me strip the very flesh from his body.
And you will, my apprentice, in time. For millennia, I have trained on my return to that wrecked planet where I too was once betrayed by the primes I called my brothers. Only a prime can defeat me, and now only one remains.
Optimus. He protects the boy.
And the boy will lead us to him, and revenge will be ours.
Boy will not escape us. We have him in our sights. Without more Elican, the hatchlings will keep dying.